Okay, have you done them all, or at least part A already? So let's find the gradients of A of phi. Grad phi is equal to, now the formula, it will be the partial derivative of phi with respect to x in the I direction plus the partial, I said pi and I put f, plus partial derivative of phi with respect to y in the j direction plus partial derivative of phi with respect to z in the k direction. All right, now remember, this is part A we're doing. What's the partial derivative of phi with respect to x? If we differentiate phi with respect to x, we're going to have y squared z plus, this is 2x y cubed z to the fourth. Alright? So we're differentiating with respect to x, so we treat y and z as if they are just constants or numbers. Okay? Now, what is partial of phi with respect to y? Going to be 2xyz. So the first part is 2xyz plus we're looking at with respect to y, so this is 3x squared y squared z to the fourth. So it's 3x squared y squared z to the fourth plus, okay, that's it, that's that. There's no plus anything else. And then the partial of phi with respect to z is equal to, respect to z, xy squared. So the first part is xy squared plus 4 x squared y cubed z cubed. 4 x squared y cubed z cubed. Alright? So now, grad phi would be y squared z plus 2x y cube, so going to be 2x y cube z to the fourth I plus, and then delta phi by delta y j, so this will be 2xyz plus 3x squared y squared z to the fourth j plus, and then partial phi by partial zk, so this is x y squared plus 4x squared y cube z cube k. Alright, if you were not given the coordinates when x is this and y is that and z is the other, then you just leave it like this. But the fact is you're given a coordinate. X is 1, y is 2, z is 3. So at 1, 2, 3, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3. So you're going to substitute these values here. So y is 2, so it's 2 squared times 3 plus 2 times x, 2 times 1 times y cube is 2 cube times 3 to the fourth. That will be I plus, then 2 by 1 by y, which is 2 by z, which is 3, plus 3 times x squared, which is 1 squared, times y squared, which is 2 squared, times z Z to the fourth, which is 3 to the fourth, J, plus now, it will be delta Z by delta phi, delta phi by delta Z K, I mean. So X is 1 times Y is 2 squared, plus 4 times 1 squared times 2 cubed times 3 to the 3 K. Alright? So delta phi is equal to, alright, so this is what? 2 2's 4. I'll just use my calculator offline. Alright, 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12. So it's 12 plus 3 to the power of 4 is 81 times 2 to the 3 is 8 times 1 times 2, 1296i. So it's 1296 plus 1296i plus 2 3 6 6 2 is 12. It's going to be 12 plus, so 3 to the power of 4 is 81 times 2 square is 4, 81 times 4 times 1 square is 1 times 3, 972, 72 J plus, and then something another K now, going to be 2 2's 4 plus 3 3's 9, 9 3's 27, so that's 27 times 2 cubed is 8, so that's 27 times 8 times 1 squared is just 1 times 4. So you have 864 K. Alright. So now, I mean the gradient of phi is equal to, so you have the 1296 plus 12 would give you 1308, so it's 1308 I plus the 972 plus 12 would give you 984 J, 984 J plus, and then the 864 plus 4 will give you 868 K. Alright, so that's what you have. We'll look at part B in the next video.